If you've never done a hip airplane before, I would highly recommend doing body weight only the first time you do this, and on subsequent times that you do it, feel free to add weight, but be gradual about it, as with every exercise. Okay, first thing I would recommend, if you've ever searched for or done hip airplanes in the past, you may have done them like this, where your leg is out, you look like an airplane, you go over like this, and you come over. But similar to how I just did, that wasn't acting, I fell off balance. So, and I wasn't able to properly load it to what my body was capable of. So, what I would like you to do is set up a bench. Doesn't really matter the degree of incline, do whatever's comfortable for you to hang on to, and put it just a little bit in front of you and to the left or right side, to the outside of your working leg. So, for example, if I was going to work this leg, it is to the outside of that leg, okay? Then what I would do is I would take a dumbbell, just like this, let my hips rotate over toward my working leg, so here, and now I'm going to open up my hips and pull down toward my working leg, okay? So I'm gonna do a few reps just like this. 1, 2, 3. Now I'll show the other side and with weight. If you're doing this correctly, you will definitely feel it in your working leg glutes. And the main thing we're looking for is opening your hips and then closing them. So imagine you had a laser beam shooting out of your belly button, point it straight at the ground, and now point it at the wall over there, okay? Just like that. Well, more or less. Good enough, right? And now close it and shoot it across, right over to there. Now you don't have to make it all the way over to both directions, but maybe try sweeping it across the ground. So I'll do a few reps of this. And be nice, slow, and controlled on this one.